everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video if you did not know that yet. Today I'm going to be giving you guys gift ideas for your boyfriend, girlfriend, friends, siblings, mom, dad, relatives, whoever. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click or tap on that like button. Also, if you enjoy my content on YouTube, make sure to click or tap on that big red subscribe button down below that looks like this. Anyways, let's get on to the first one is bath bombs. Bath bombs are like really cool, like when you put them in the bath, like they fizz everywhere. They're like one of my favorite things to do, even though I don't really take baths. But I would totally take a bath if I got a bath bomb. Jewelry is another one. Jewelry doesn't have to be for girls and boys, but I'm actually wearing one right now I got from my grandparents. So yeah, I like really fun jewelry, like really cute jewelry is like what I really like. So yeah, you can make a DIY sugar scrub. Sugar scrubs you can use like in the shower, like when you're washing your hands, and it makes like your skin feel like really soft and good. One of my favorite things is fuzzy socks. In the wintertime, it's not wintertime right now, but like I love fuzzy socks. They're like just so soft. Like when you go on this play in the snow and you're in boots, like I love to wear fuzzy socks. You could get them a water bottle and then like put their name on it with like vinyl, which would look really cool, and they would have their own personalized water bottle. Personalized sunglasses you can put, okay, so these are my normal glasses. You could put like little stickers or like things that like pop out like in the corners, like on the bottom. You can put stuff like on top. You could like add like washi tape to make it like on the outside, and it would look really cool. You can make them some of their favorite like treats, like brownies or cake, or just normal food for them. You can make them or buy them a mug with their name on it as well, kind of like the water bottle. You can make them a survival kit for like work, like if they love candy, if they always need to write something down, something like that. A DIY Sundae Box is really cool if they like ice cream. I don't like ice cream, but like if they did, you could put like all like sprinkles and like spoons in the cups and like ice cream and stuff like that for them to make their own like cute little sundae at home. Makeup for girls, I don't like makeup, but if you have like any friends, like your girlfriend likes makeup, then you can do makeup. You can give them, if they love plants, like, and they're not good at watering them like every day, you can get them like fake succulents. Also get them a cactus, like if they like cactuses. You can make a DIY colored box. So what it is you get like everything you can find of that color. So like say you did green, then you get like everything green as you can, maybe like scrunchy green or like candy that's green, has like a green box and stuff like that. The last thing I have is maybe like if they have like a favorite book, or you have a book that they really like want to try to like read it or something. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That was the end of the video. Make sure to click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe down below.